And the Lord said unto Abraham, oh, me need to fart. Me wonder if Vanna gonna notice if me just let out a little one. Just a nice, easy little one. Alright, me I'll go for it. Did she just... No, could never. Think Sam never noticed, but... me need to do another one. Alright, nigga. Now go do it again. Hold on a second. Is she taking the mic? Alright, you wanna play this game? Alright, cool. Say nada, man. Say nada. Come, take this. That's right. You want to mess around? Alright, come. What? Come, boy. You want to compete? Don't ever try that. Wait, what you doing, man? Now you wanna play this game? Alright, cool. Take that. Yeah, take the mic. Yeah, take some of that like that. Yeah, take you. What? Alright, take this. Alright, no, that's wrong. What are you doing? Oh my god, what just happened? No, you need some huggies, mum. See me crack me part. Oh god. That is disgusting. Bana.